The right amount and quality of engine oil in your motorcycle ensures its best health and performance. In case of engine overheating, white smoke or oil leakage, or simply for periodical maintenance, you may want to replace the engine oil. Here are the steps to follow to drain and refill engine oil in your motorcycle. First, ensure you have all these tools. 8mm open-end spanner, 5mm Allen key. These are available in your motorcycle toolkit. Additionally, you will also need a nose plier, bend type, oil collecting tray, Royal Enfield recommended engine oil, genuine Royal Enfield oil filter, a funnel. These tools are available at an authorized Royal Enfield service center near you. To start with, put the motorcycle on the center stand. Switch on the engine and gently raise the RPM for 10 seconds. Leave the motorcycle in idling condition for 15 seconds. Switch off the engine and wait for about 2 minutes for the oil to settle down. Place the oil collecting tray under the engine right below the oil drain. With the help of the 8mm open-end spanner, slowly loosen both the drain cap bolts uniformly. Open the drain cap slowly and then pull out the spring-loaded oil strainer with the plier. Now allow the engine oil to drain. Remove the engine oil filter Allen socket bolts with the help of 5mm Allen key. Remove the old engine oil filter from its housing and let the oil drain out. It's time to refill the engine oil. Take a new oil filter. Align its position so that the spring end is outside. Take a new O-ring and place it firmly in its position. Tighten all 3 socket bolts with the help of 5mm Allen key uniformly. Wipe out the excess oil. Place the engine oil strainer in its housing. Take a new oil strainer O-ring. Ensure the O-ring side of the strainer is pressed inside by slightly rotating it to fix its position. Fix the hex bolts of the strainer cap initially with your fingers and then tighten it with the 8mm spanner. Remove the oil filler cap and place the funnel firmly. Pour 1.7 litre of genuine Royal Enfield engine oil in the funnel. Fill the oil gently into the engine. Ensure the oil level mark is at the maximum. Close the oil filler cap. The engine oil of your motorcycle has now been replaced. Always remember to drain the engine oil only after warming up the engine. Only use genuine Royal Enfield engine oil. Dispose the drained engine oil separately and most importantly, never overfill. It is advised to visit a Royal Enfield authorized service center near you to tighten the bolts to the recommended torque. Your motorcycle is now ready for your next ride. Ride safe!